Today I'm going to tell you about a revolutionary event in the world of space and technology. SpaceX was back at the launch pad with an updated rocket to complete a Starlink mission. So buckle up, and let's dive into this exciting journey together. SpaceX successfully launched the Falcon 9 rocket for the Starlink 10-2 mission from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station at 1:15 p.m. This mission added 22 more Starlink satellites to the company's growing internet constellation, which now has over 6,100 satellites in orbit. The first attempt was on June 14th, but it was scrubbed as the countdown clock hit 0 and the rocket was pulled back from the pad. This delay allowed the Astra 1P satellite to launch instead. But this time, the Starlink satellites returned with a new first-stage booster, which flew for the 11th time and successfully landed on the drone ship, a short fall of gravitas, in the Atlantic Ocean. SpaceX didn't reveal what went wrong with the original booster, which was supposed to fly for the 16th time. However, the company has reflown boosters 292 times, with 4 of them completing more than 20 missions each. This launch marked the 46th from the Space Coast this year, with 43 of those by SpaceX. The next launch is planned for Tuesday, when SpaceX aims to send up its first Falcon Heavy of the year from Kennedy Space Center's Launch Pad 39A. This powerful rocket will carry the GOES-U weather satellite for NASA and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, with liftoff scheduled for 5:16 p.m. However, Space Launch Delta 45's Weather Squadron predicts only a 30% chance of favorable launch conditions for both Tuesday and the backup window on Wednesday, adding another layer of excitement. SpaceX's success is a major step forward for the future of space travel. As the famous physicist Michio Kaku said, "In the future, space travel will be a routine part of our daily lives." We're one step closer to making that vision a reality. SpaceX's achievements are not just a win for the company, but a giant leap for humanity's efforts to establish a foothold in space. The Falcon 9 rocket, with its reusable capabilities, significantly lowers the cost of space travel and increases the frequency of launches. This is crucial for future missions to Mars and beyond. To understand the importance of reusable rockets, let's take a look back in history. In the early days of space travel, rockets were single-use. Each launch required a brand new rocket, driving costs to astronomical levels. But SpaceX changed the game with Falcon 9's reusability, making space travel more sustainable. This was a massive step towards the sustainability of space exploration and commercial space flights. Falcon 9's reusability not only cuts costs, but also reduces environmental impact. Reusing rockets means fewer resources are needed for new builds, making the process more efficient and eco-friendly. Now, let's talk about the Starlink project. Starlink is revolutionizing global internet access. These satellites can provide high-speed internet to the most remote and hard-to-reach areas on the planet. This will greatly enhance global communication and access to information, especially in regions with inadequate internet infrastructure. Starlink's benefits extend beyond individual users. It can play a critical role in disaster zones, emergencies, and humanitarian operations. In the aftermath of natural disasters, where communication infrastructure is often damaged, Starlink satellites can provide quick and reliable internet connectivity to support rescue operations. Falcon Heavy's launch will be a significant event, too. Falcon Heavy is one of the most powerful rockets currently in operation, capable of carrying large payloads to space. This is crucial for missions to farther destinations like Mars. Falcon Heavy's launch is another major step for humanity's journey deeper into space. The GOES-U weather satellite will make a huge contribution to weather forecasting and space weather monitoring. GOES-U, a vital tool for NASA and NOAA, will enhance the accuracy and reliability of weather forecasts, helping people prepare better for natural disasters. These SpaceX launches are not just technical achievements, but also significant milestones towards our common goals. establishing a stronger presence in space, developing new technologies, and improving global communication are at the forefront of these goals. Behind these achievements are the insights and efforts of many renowned scientists and visionary leaders. For instance, Carl Sagan often emphasized the critical importance of space exploration for humanity's future. Sagan said, "If we are to survive as a species for a long time, we need to spread out into space." This vision continues to inspire SpaceX and other space companies. Additionally, Stephen Hawking highlighted the importance of space exploration. Hawking stated, "Humanity must colonize space to ensure its long-term survival." Hawking's views resonate with SpaceX's long-term goals of sending humans to Mars and establishing a permanent colony there. Under the leadership of Elon Musk, SpaceX is making great strides in turning these visions into reality. Musk aims to make space travel more accessible and economical, with ambitious goals like sending humans to Mars and establishing a permanent settlement. Musk's vision is transforming not just SpaceX, but the entire space industry. In conclusion, SpaceX's Starlink and Falcon Heavy launches are major milestones for the future of space travel. Reusable rockets, global internet access, powerful space vehicles, and accurate weather forecasts are just a few of the innovations these launches bring. Establishing a stronger presence in space, developing new technologies, and improving global communication are our primary goals. See you in the next launches. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates in the world of space and technology. Take care and stay curious.